There are several ways you can enter data into the CircleTrack logbook. One way is you can simply type. Click on an entry field and type the number and press enter. Another way is for some entries, you see this drop-down list, this drop-down button here. If you click on that, you can see some choices you can pick, and that'll enter that list or that choice automatically. Or you can type something in directly. Maybe you want something new, like maybe that's a shock you want to add. Now, anything you type in will be added to that list. It's not added right away, but when you shut down the program, that new entry you've made will be added to that list, and that'll be a new choice for you. So that way, you don't have to keep typing in the same thing each time. And it also, you want to get in the habit of looking in the list and see if your choice is there. That way you won't cause confusion by having two different names for the same part. Another way here is you can actually click on some things you can notice don't allow you to type something in with these drop down boxes. You only have a couple of choices, and those are the only choices you have. Another way is you can click on these calc buttons. Calc means calculate. And if you don't know the spring rating, but you know something about the spring, you can click on the calc button and a new screen opens up. And here you can type in things like specs about the spring, 13 coils. Oops. Okay, inside diameter of the coil, I had that wrong, which is 4 inches. And the number of active coils is, let's say, 14. And you can see that is obviously not a good combination of numbers. That makes more sense there. So the wire diameter is 0.4 inches, the inside diameter of the coil is 2 inches, and there's 14 active coils. If we like that number, this is a handy utility by itself, you can say use that value. You can see that number has now been loaded in there. And that is, oh, let's explain comments here. Here's comments. This can be most anything you want for each of these tabs, these categories here. So for the chassis comments, you can type in, oh, I'll just type in some junk right now. And then we're going to keep the changes, clicking on that button there. Next time you go in there, you'll see those comments there, and these comments will show up on your printouts. So that is the main ways you can enter data into the CircleTrack logbook.